Okay, today we're going to investigate the Excel feature VLOOKUP. It's a time-saving way to manipulate data efficiently. Consider the scenario we've got in front of us here. We've got data on the left with the EIN. We've got no name, no length of service. We've got data on the right which has all that information in, but we want to populate one on the left from the data on the right. What's important here is that the data on the right, the thing you want to match and look up, is in the leftmost column. This is here. What we next need to do is highlight the data range. Next, right click the mouse and give that range a name. Let's call it EIN. Done. Now, VLOOKUP, so easy. What we want to achieve here is we want to look up the value here, number 5, and populate it with the name from somewhere in here, with the right one. Then we want to populate the length of service by also looking up the range on the EIN, number 5. So, what is the formula? Quite easy. Start with the equal sign and type in VLOOKUP, open brackets, the thing now you want to look up, which is the 5, comma, the table you've created with the name of where that data lives, and it was in a file we called EIN. You can see on the screen it even highlights it for your options. Comma, and then once it's found the match of column B, the number 5, you want it to return which? The name or the length of service. Now if it's the name, it's the second item of that row. So it finds a match, returns the value you want. So we want number 2. And then if you want an absolute match, which means that what you're looking up on the left or in the table is 100% the same, you type in the word false and close the brackets, and that's it, done. You can drag this down now and it will populate everything from the table based on what it's looking up. So let's do it again, but this time for the length of service. Equals VLOOKUP, open brackets, the thing you want to look up, number 5, or column or cell B4, comma, where the data lives. It lives in a data range we called EIN. Name it anything you wish when you're doing the naming. And now we want column 3. 1, 2, 3, length of service. We want it to match 100%, false. Drag down. Voila. It's the easiest thing in the world. Try it. Thank you. My name is Mike Dawson.